Just a beautiful 16-degree day here. 16 degrees has never felt so warm. But here we go. Hello, how are you? Thank you, appreciate it. Thanks. What a Rottweiler. Yeah, they did not plow that lot. This is where I was actually trying to get to the first time around. I stopped at the road. I was like, I don't know. Yeah, there were tire tracks going down there, and I got four-wheel drive. It's not like a big deal, but it's quite a stretch of road, you know, through the woods there. It's not like just a little piece. Maybe we'll see what's around the corner. It's once you kind of go on it, you're kind of committed to it. So I'm so glad I did not go that way. Beautiful day here, everyone. Great day here in Easton, PA. I'm still down here scouting out some possible routes for this loop I'm coming up with. Because I have the D&L so close by, I can really change the length of that loop pretty greatly. So I think as is, the loop's about 125 with such easy access to the D&L Trail. I can really make this bike loop like 150, 175 miles long with about 5,000 feet of elevation gain. Do one of my training loops pretty much for the Tour Divide, and I would have my eye on the Tour Divide 2027, that is, but I'm starting to think about that already. I think it's just a little too close to get ready for 2026. No sense in rushing knee recovery and diving into just having like 5 months to get ready for it. So just out and about, just enjoying these winter days where I can. I mean, it has just been frighteningly cold, which I'm sure you all know. It's pretty sweet that Easton plows these bike trails for everybody. And this is the end of the loop where I was at the other day, where I met that guy Dirk. It's like night and day, man. There were so many people walking dogs. Oh geez, foot and a half of snow, 2 feet of snow here now. The Lehigh is completely frozen over there. I think I am gonna spin up the Palmer Bikeway just up to the top of the hill and see what that other bike lane, bike spur looks like. It looked kind of like a rougher plow job. That's why I stayed on the D&L, but Chain Dam Road. This is a one-way road that I'm sure used to be two-way, and one lane is for bikes only. Pretty sweet little score here. So I'm trying to add this way to the loop, and it might be working out actually. Two-way, I guess, but this is still bike friendly. Kind of cool. This is a cool route. Nice little addition to the route here. It really, what kind of sucks is it takes away a really fast downhill. It adds adds a couple 100 feet of climbing, pretty stout grades. And then here's the bike trail. I didn't take an exact note of the elevation gain. Really cool addition to this route. I'm excited about this. This is really cool. I've been here, but it's been like 6 years. So what, like up above this? I'm confused over exactly where I am. is like a little tiny spur. It comes down here. Try to find a date on this bridge. It's kind of nerdy, but I love this stuff. It says Fogel on the keystone, and I mean, this is no doubt 100 years old, man. This darn thing. And I do not see a date, but I will be looking into this as soon as I get back. I've had this in a past video, and somebody commented that they were surprised that they saw me down around here or something, and I think they said the name of this tunnel or this viaduct Fogel. I don't see a date. I'm gonna look into that when I get back. And I'm also curious to the elevation gain on that chain dam road. Oh my gosh. And this is the chain dam fish passageway project. And since I was here, there was actually a kid came whipping by on a mountain bike. He just came ripping down that thing, man. I was taking it like a grandpa. That's it, everyone. I'm shutting it down here. There's Easton right there. That was one heck of a nice bike ride. Much needed bike ride. That was just awesome. I couldn't ask for more. I think we have some ridiculously cold temperatures still in our future, and I mean, it has been a little tough for me to get out there and going out and finding these trails, but you know, hasn't been in the cards like the past week. But I think there's gonna be some nicer days this week. I'm gonna get out there as much as I can, but pretty ridiculous lately. I think it's pretty cool that Easton plows the D&L down here. I thought that they might. I took a shot that they might do that, but this is as close as I'm getting to downtown, and that's close enough. I was just turning around anyway. I was literally turning around right there anyway, so see you around. Go ahead and call it quits for this video now. Thanks for following along, everybody. Thanks for bearing with me through the winter and these cold months. And hopefully I'll have many more videos coming very soon. Spring is on its way, man. But everything is good. I hope everybody's doing well, and we'll catch you on the road.